Hi everybody, it's Liz here for the 10-minute tutor, and today we are looking at printout A-17. So you should have A-17 in the top right hand corner of your sheet, and it should be in front of you now.
You'll find the worksheet for this video in the description below.
Now, do you remember we have had 2 tutorials now on punctuation? And we have been looking specifically at capital letters. So we now know that capital letters are the letters that have the same height for every letter. So they start at the bottom of the line and they end at the top of the line. Let's have a look at A, B, C, D and E. And you can see that they're the same height. And that gives you a clue. They're capital letters. We also know that capital letters in our writing and when we are reading, they are used for anything that's important. So important people, important places, important things, and important events. And of course, anyone with a name like you. My name, Liz, L-I-Z, has a capital L to start my name, and your name has a capital as well, including anyone who's called Mr. or Mrs. or Miss or Ms. They also start with a capital letter. But today I'm going to tell you something new about capital letters, and that is they start a sentence. So every time you start a sentence in your work, every sentence must start with a capital letter. Do you know what goes on the end of a sentence? I wonder. It's a dot, which of course is the full stop. So let me show you an example of a sentence. Let me think of one. Let's say, the dog's name was Spot. The has a capital letter. Spot has a capital letter. It's the name of the dog. And on the end of that, there is a full stop, which tells you it's time to take a little break. All right, so capital letters start sentences. Now today, I'm going to read to you and show you a little poem that I have written, which has rhyming words on the end. You'll understand a little bit more about rhyming when I'm saying the poem to you. So let me show you how that poem goes. On Monday, I went to the city zoo. Oh my goodness, Tiggy. That's a very loud roar. On Tuesday, I said, on Wednesday, I got the flu. On Thursday, I felt very blue. On Friday, I ate some stew. That's Weet-Bix, not stew. On Saturday, I felt brand new. On Sunday, I was happy when I saw you. You are, oh, she licks me. Big kiss. Well done. So, did you like my little poem I wrote to remind you of the days of the week? Let me read it to you again. And then I'm going to show you which of those words were rhyming. So it goes like this. On Monday, I went to the city zoo. On Tuesday, I said achoo. On Wednesday, I got the flu. On Thursday, I felt very blue. On Friday, I ate some stew. On Saturday, I felt brand new. On Sunday, I was happy when I saw you. Can you hear all those words that rhyme? Let me read you the rhyming words. There is zoo, achoo, flew, blue, stew, new, and you. Now what you will probably notice about those rhyming words is they are all spelt differently. Another reason why the English language can drive us crazy. But I'm going to spend a lot of time in this program helping you to decode the English language. So you're going to become a code breaker. All you really need to know right now is that those words rhyme. So back to the beginning. The start of all those sentences have capital letters. The ends of all those sentences have that little dot, which is called a full stop. Now you can use your pencil, your highlighter or your finger and trace all those capital letters and put them in to remind you. And on the bottom of your sheet in the grey box there are all the days of the week. Of course, remember, they start with capital letters. I've also broken them down into syllables. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I put that special syllable in to remind you, Wednesday, of how to spell it. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Have a go at practicing the spelling of those days of the week, thinking about the fact that they're broken down into syllables, that tricky Wednesday syllable to remind you how to spell it, and also remember every syllable has to have a vowel. That's a little clue which I know we'll be talking about more. So have a great day everybody. I hope you had a good day today and I hope all's going to go really well. Alright, bye now.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Your next tutorial after A-17 will be A-18. Would you like free access to level A and B of the 10-minute tutor? That's 40 more reading and spelling lessons. It's really, really simple. Just follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Learn the alphabet sound song and make a video singing it. It can be you, your children, your class, or your friends. The more, the merrier. Step 2. Post it on your favourite social media platform with the hashtag #the10minutetutor. Step 3. Once it's posted, click the link in the description below this video, www.the10minutetutor.com/level B, and fill out the form. Once we get it, we will email you free access to all 56 tutorials in level A and B of the 10-minute tutor to really supercharge your reading and spelling skills.